Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this flyer design using Pixellab. So we're just going to be creating the flyer and then we're just going to make it really catchy, and I think it's time for us to be able to continue. So if you know you are going to be viewing on the video, so just make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video, and let's proceed. So the first thing to do is just click on this three dot right now, and we're going to be putting the background and the image already done. So I got this I got the background and image from online, and I'm just going to show you guys how you can be able to work on the background and then create a very catchy crop fire design. So this is the background right now. Let me just click on this three dot and let's see the image size. So you can see the aspect ratio and you can see the width and the height. So I think this is all good. So what you need to do right now is to start adding the text. So you're going to see this background like this, exactly how it is in the Telegram channel. So just make sure you join the Telegram channel below. You're going to see this extra resources. I always post it with the design. So also I'm just going to leave in a free PLP file. Also you can get the free PLP file of this design that we just created in the description box. Also it's also going to be in the Telegram channel, so just make sure you check it out. So the first thing to do right now is just to click on these shapes, and then you just click on gradient, and we click on gradient. You're just going to make this black, and then I'm just going to off all this, as you can see right now. So you can just raise this up a little bit. Yes, just raise it up, or you can make it to be at the center, but anyhow you want to, maybe before the center. Then you just need to draw this, then raise this like this. As you can see, it's giving that vibes. So let's just try and edit it again. So let's just try to reduce it because it was a little bit too much. So I can just do it like this, and then you're just going to import this same image. So the reason I'm saying you should import the same image is because we need to do some adjustments. So let me import the image from gallery. It's imported, as you can see. So I'll just take this up. So this one I had to details, like I needed the size that I'm going to use for the design. That's why I just uploaded it from gallery. So there is it. So since I've gotten the size, but if you don't want to use the same image, you can just use the aspect ratio, but you know how that works well for you. So we just need to take this at the back. As you can see, there is a space in between this. Let me just make it light. There's a space in between this section here, so I think this is good. Then I can just maybe use the aspect ratio and then put it in the center, as you can see. So it's giving us this kind of field. So what you need to do over here, you can just maybe put in the club logo or anything. So I'm just going to start with up above. I'll just get like a red section here. Then I can just make this light red and just adjust it here, then take it here. I can just make this 60, the edges, or let's just make it 35. Make this a little bit bigger. So I think this is good. You can lock it. Then we're just going to click on sticker. So I don't think we'll be putting any other thing. So for the logo, you can just use the built-in Pixellab logo. Let's just create a logo right now. I just make this circle. Then I can make this, let's say, light red like this. Then lock this. Then just draw this. Maybe something kind of like this, and I can make it black. Then I can just create another black stuff like this, then give it, yeah, make this a little bit fair. So it's just having that kind of logo. So I'll just reduce opacity for this. give it a stroke. Yeah, let's get a stroke. And then I can give it this kind of color, so you can see how it is. So right now I can just merge this because I think it's good to go. I can merge this, reduce this, take this up, just a bit. I can break this down. Then I'm just going to write in EA launch. By present. So this is the EA is the name of the channel. Then I can just like, I think I'll be using, let me just check any available fonts. So if I can just click on my fonts, so all these kind of fonts I like using is either font free or Akira. I don't know if you guys order font, but you can check online, it's available. So font free gives you that kind of spacing. So let me just use font free. So font free, just give me maybe 15. Yeah, so I think this is good. So you can see it's already giving shape. So if you look at the design right now, you see that the design is not aligned properly. So I can just like make this bolder a bit. Yeah. So I think it's aligned properly now. Adjust it a little bit. Then I can just like reduce the opacity, the saturation a bit. Let's say to 15. So let me show you the difference. So you can see the difference. Or let's just put it at 5 is okay. So once it's done, I just duplicate this again. So I'll put in the date. Sorry, I think it's the time. So we'll be using 10 p.m. Increase its saturation. We did it here. Then I'll put PM. Make sure the PM is a little bit. If you have a regular font, you can also use it like regular of font free. Then I'll just adjust it. So the next thing we're going to have right now, let's just save this project. Let's see what we've done. So welcome to day 58 of today's guys. So if you need actually benefiting from this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and actually share this video. And if you want me to actually do any design next, you can join my Telegram community. So guys, it's very important to join the Telegram community. So I'm just going to write in the text now for it. So I'll be using explore. So let's just make this from the plot to be small later, to give it that kind of field. Then I increase it to the last, like really last. Let it be bold on it. Then I give it a padding, left padding, right padding also. Then we'll now look for a font that will actually match this design. So I just need to go to my font, check any available sharp fonts in which I can be able to use. So you can see we're actually like creating this thing together. I'm not actually adding anything right now. Yeah, see what I'm doing. So I think I've seen like a font to use, but let's just check other ones. I don't know whether this looks okay. I don't know. I think I need to change it. Let's just check for a lighter version of this. lighter version. Yeah, I think we got that. So when it happens like this, you just need to give it a left padding. Then the spacing, you can just space it a little bit. So I think this is it. I think this is it, guys. So right now you can just increase it. And when you're increasing, you need to mind the lips. Yes, the lips. So I think it's worth it. So we are now we will not be using the color that matches the design. We'll be using gradients. So I think I'm just going to call this a beginner tutorial, like, because most times you people always say I should like not rush the designs. So I think this is it. I just need to bring this up again. So guys, I think this is giving up the field. So I just need to make this lighter a bit. I don't know, but I just feel I need to do that. Then after which is done, we'll just lock this. Yes, and let's just save our changes for those who will be using Pixellab and PLP file. So make sure you actually watch the video, because I think I'm just going to, for you guys to actually watch it, I'm just going to be doing a little bit of test, like putting a code in the video to be able to unlock it. So if you have any issues with it, just make sure you tell me immediately. So let's just use another font right now, any sharp good font. So I can use Cinzel. I can just use, I think, Mary Bold Plus. Let's check for regular, let's check for this. I think this worked. So let me just adjust it a little bit. And then I don't know if I will try Montserrat, maybe to give me what I'm looking for. So you see how we are actually trying different types of font. Any available font, you can use it to make your design look pop. It's not a must. You must get the exact font I'm using. Any font that you know matches well. If it doesn't match well, then you can just change. So you can see what Montserrat is giving us. So I think I'll be using Montserrat for the main part of the design. I just love the text and everything. So I'm just going to be using writing music here. I think this is a mistake. So I'll put in music. So I want you guys to see the way I'm just going to do it. Music pilot. So I'll just be using my name of the channel, DJ EA. Let's just do DJ ESTs. Yeah, I think this is good. So let me just show you guys what is going to happen right now. So I'm just going to put this, and I think I'll be using, let's just use Montserrat regular. So I don't want this video to be long. I'm trying to like rush up. Montserrat regular is this. This is the size in here. So you can see right now that I'm not using my grid lines. If I'm going to use my grid lines, there will be a lot of things. So I'm just trying to use mine. So you can use your grid lines if you're not actually getting the positioning. So to do your grid lines, it's very simple. Just on it here, and then like try to adjust the one that works well, so you can know how to position this text. So your grid lines is very important in designing. I think this is good. So I can just duplicate another one, take this to the right hand side. So I'll be using let's just use DJ YouTube Steves. I think this is for the hyping. Policy. So you can get your designs from anywhere, guys, any idea. It is not a must that will say, oh, this guy is copying, this guy is this. You can get your designs from anywhere. If you don't want to play, you can add your own ideas into it. It's not bad. It doesn't make you less creative. So you need to know that. So I think I can just save this right now, then bring both of them a little bit down. So I don't know what you guys saw, but you can see the image, the coloring and everything is different. So right now we'll just work on this section. I think I'm just going to draw it. So we'll just work this section over here, just make it a little bit small to fit in. Now we're already done with this, so this is good. This is good. So it's just this section right now. So let's just continue this section, and then so it's very easy, like designing with a smartphone, if you know what you are going to be doing. I'm just going to make this, let's just use dark red, and I'm just going to write location, just this a bit. So I'll just take this here, and then I'll just write in the club location. So just adjust it. Like I said, I'm really going to making everything a little bit tiny. So I will now copy. I think I should be using this Akira, or let me just take this to this lodge. Let me duplicate this lodge, then build the text here. So I'm just going to be writing something like games, drinks, dance, I'll just use fonts changer. So all this you can just like do anything you want to use. So I'll align to the center. We did it very well, like very well, and then we change the font because the font is too tiny. Yeah, I'll use Montserrat. So monument, sorry, say Montserrat. Monument for this monument font. So you can just check the PFI since it's free. You can check it out. Adjust this, take the position up. So I'll just copy this A lodge. And I just need to write in something. Make this bold. So the plan, guys, is for it to fit everything. So I think I'll be using monument again. Then if you look at the arrow I put there, I'll be using the lights. Then I adjust this. So over there we can start adding the locations here. Take it here. So I cannot put any location. I'll use behind EA designs along. So if you guys are wondering, I'm still formulating my locations. If you are new here, you should, that might be a new thing to you. But if you have been my active subscribers and watching all my videos, you see that I just form any title that comes to my head. So it just depends on how I did. So, so I'm just going to write for reservation. So there's no any time like thinking of location to use or copying and pasting. You can just see. So when it's time for you to like do your own designs, you can just use your head to, or maybe any location they gave you, or maybe if you're using for professional design. So this is just any number. If you record this number and it goes through, you can just so to iPhone users, I don't know how you're going to be using Pixellab. I really don't know. But I think there'll be Pixart. I think the Pixart. So maybe as time goes on, I maybe do designs also on Pixart. Yeah, maybe as time goes on. So guys, if you notice design right now, it's lacking space. Like the space is not giving it. So let's just do the adjustment of the space. Yeah, starting with the games. So you need to like understand positioning, I need to understand spacing. So I'll just try to give it space because everything just look too jam packs. Like they just jam pack it on. So it's not giving other vibes. So I think I'll still take this club location and everything up a bit. Yeah, I think this is good. I just want there to be space enough. Then this is our vision. Can just raise this up again. So I think this is good. So I cannot save this. So right now you can just click on the stickers. I'll make you on the stickers. You can just look for anyone you want to use. So I think I'll be using this. Yeah, I think would have used this maybe for the club logo. But all good. We just wasted time creating that one. We like it would not waste time. It's still serving a purpose. So right now you can now write in their details. So I'm just going to be using Mosaic for it. So I cannot write it at design with AA and at design with AA community. So this looks good. So if you are my community, this design is for you. I'm not monetizing any of this. It's free. Then you're now going to like write another text, and then on this text you're going to write in maximum security, so that because some celebrities they might want to come. So they say, oh, the security. And I'm gonna go now. So you need to also have all this, even if they don't ask you or they don't tell you to write it. It's very important if you're doing any design and then maybe it's a professional design and it's something like this, you can just write it there. So I'll be using this kind of a playful font. I don't know if this is entering. I don't think this is working. So I'm not looking for any font there. So like I was saying, it's very important you write it, even if they didn't ask you to write it. It's very important. So I think this is good. Even if we do some text there. So any question you want to make, you can just make it. Any question you want to make, you can just make it. So I think I will still bring this club location a bit up. Yes. Yeah. Then this Brabus. So take it up. So they can be space a little bit for reservation and anything there. So I've already taken permission for you guys before I started making it small. I just try to make it small there because this is like imported backgrounds we just got. We're trying to create something with this image. Then I can just raise this maximum security up and boom, I think the design is done. So you can like add any other things, but I think all is good with it. So anyhow you want, so you can see Pixellab texture, so you can use this also. So all these are here. You can just take this here, like take it to the back of the image. Yeah, it's very, you can also do this, take back of the image, or you can take this to the front of the image. I'll just maybe try to use it at, I think I'll try to use it maybe before the text. Yes, so this is good. So you can now like change the color, something like this. They'll reduce opacity very well. So you can see it's already giving that fit. So that we will not import any other element apart from the image. So you can see right now we're not importing. We did our text ourselves. We did the background editing and everything from just the image we just got online. So that is how you can create something like this. So if you know you actually benefited from this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, because I'm going to drop in more videos like this since we're on this challenge. And you guys know this is day 58, so more videos to come. Even after the 100 day challenge we are done, we'll continue on the 100 day challenge. I'm going to make more amazing videos for ourselves. So without much talk, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. But before you guys go, make sure you actually join my Telegram community. You can get the PIP file of this. I definitely going to get the resources of this. Thank you so much guys for supporting me, and bye.